Hey, hello everybody. I'm here to show you 7 of my automatic watches. I think it's the magic number to have 7 watches in total. It's quite an achievement to stick with 7 because there are so many beautiful pieces out there, timepieces I mean, that deserve my my wrist, but unfortunately, my bank account doesn't agree. So let's have a closer look at 7 of those that are lying in front of me at the table, on the table. So, as you can see, I have 3 Rado Captain Cooks. And this one is my my newest purchase. It's the 39 millimeter. I think it looks great on my 17 centimeter wrist. The crown action is perfect, and that goes for all of those watches here. And that's one of the reasons why I picked those 7, because I think crown action says a lot about the overall quality of a watch. I've owned multiple watches, and I've already sold quite a bunch of them, and one of the reasons was the crown action. I can't stand a lousy crown in an automatic watch. It's annoying, and like I said, it says something about the overall build quality. So 3 Rado Captain Cooks. Why? Well, this one and this one over here, I got them for a very decent price. They're both new, and I like the design. I think the fact that they are flat and the bracelet is very flat as well makes it very wearable for most wrists. I have, like I said, a 17 centimeter wrist or a 6.7 inch wrist. And yeah, I'll show you. Oh yeah, I get away with it, I think. What do you think? I don't think it... If my wrist was a little bit smaller, I wouldn't be so sure about it, but 6.7 inches should be, and above, I mean, should be okay for these 42 mil watches. Really love them. And let's move on to my my latest purchase, and that's the Fortis F-39. Maybe this one is my most favorite of my collection. I don't know exactly why. Maybe it's the blue dial. I just like blue dials, and if you can see that the texture, the grooves, the vertical grooves on this one are stunning. The AR coating is very well done, and it just hugs my wrist. It just hugs my wrist. It kisses my wrist. It lies very flat, and it stays there. It's hefty, and it's heavy, and the bracelet is it's pretty wide at the clasp, and here, like, I mean, it doesn't taper very much, but I don't mind. I think it has something dressy as well. It's not just a tool watch. It is a tool watch, but there's some dressiness about it that I really like. Let's move on to my my Tudor Black Bay. I've owned it for 9 months now. It's my my dressiest watch, I'd say. It has a classic vibe to it. It's very well made, and the crown action is just wow. And then my my other high quality timepiece. This is the Longines Hydro Conquest. It's a very well made watch. Crown action is excellent. It's a 41mm with a ceramic bezel. And I think it looks nice on my wrist. It's a bit big, I know. It's a little bit big. But it's, well, I can pull it off. I can pull it off. Visually, I think I can pull it off. If that makes any sense. But it's a cool, very cool dial, by the way. Let's move on to the last timepiece of this video. It's my my Christopher Ward C65 super compressor. I think it's a superb example of good quality for a very good price, especially if you buy this stunner on the black rubber strap, which I also have, by the way. It retails for around $1,500 or 1,325 euros, and I think it's worth every cent. It's well made. The crown pops in and out nicely, so I'm a happy dude. And look at that dial. Wow, look at that dial. It's deep blue. I love it. And maybe it looks better on the rubber strap if you have a medium-sized wrist like I do. Because I think maybe this one's a little bit too big for me. I don't know. I'll let you decide. But the overall look and the overall performance of this one is, wow, it's very good. It's very good. I like this brand. Well, that's the end of my my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Arrivederci. Auf Wiedersehen. Tot ziens. Namaste.